Ensign, a high-end wheel loader manufacturer and service provider in China, focuses on providing construction machinery integration solutions, committing to cultivating the most trustworthy brand in the loader industry. Every elaborate manufacturing aims to integrate high efficiency and comfort into the products. As commented by the users, Ensign's engineers are as accurate as high-precision clock during their R&D process. We well understand that focusing on products, R&D is the first step of being the dependable partner for our customers.
精进再精进，始终是我们执着的方向。比如产品的稳定性、灵活性、载重量、车主距等，都会服务于极限工况。每一个铲斗都量身设计。再比如我们的创新环保研发，变量液压系统使省油率在15%以上。
Ensign, keeping up with the world at the beginning, has well-designed wheel loader workshop and supporting industrial park, world-leading manufacturing technique, as well as high-intelligent manufacturing equipment. Adhering to the spirit of the craftsman, Ensign focuses on precision manufacturing and lead Made in China 2025.
保证音轩装载机竞争力的核心是什么？核心零部件均自主研发生产，外构件全部锁定行业一流的品牌供应商，并严格把控质量。更重要的是，英轩一个流的精工制造工艺，加强了装载机结构件的整体强度。
Through 2,000-hour continuous industrial tests for 48 kinds of limited working conditions, the mean time between failure of Ensign products is 100 hours higher than the same industry. Unremitting improvement and promotion aims to provide you more durable products.
我们通过挑战各种极限工况，不断改进并丰富产品线，只为我们的产品可靠放心，担当重任。
Ensign knows very well that every cooperation with customer means a serious trust and entrustment. Therefore, we treat each detail and service with integrity and actions. The marketing networks that spread at home and abroad, and the recognition from customers of different races make the gorgeous orange image of Ensign light up all over the world.
英轩尊重客户的每一分钱，所以为客户提供的都是最合适的精工产品、最合理的解决方案、最信赖的购买保障。
Client's time is wealth. Ensign is ready at all times to provide continuous reserve force with professional maintenance engineers and adequate and complete accessory supply. 7 times 24-hour dedication to the duties regardless of chilly winter, midsummer, dusty wind, rain and snow. Ensign staff shoulder great responsibilities and clients' trust again and again, which not only owes to specialty, but also owes to every dedicated heart.
英轩珍惜客户的每一分钟，统一的培训和服务，
让我们专业高效，值得托付。
Ensign believes that to shoulder social responsibilities for an enterprise is not just taking care of the employees, serving for the customers attentively and paying attention to the social welfare, but bettering products, leading whole industry, and involving in building a new era with good ethos to fulfill the Chinese dream of the rise of great powers.
英轩重工，
英轩重工，英轩重工，
堪当重任，堪当重任，英轩重工，堪当重任。
Ensign is capable of shouldering great responsibilities, gaining trusts of employees and customers, revitalizing national industry as a Chinese enterprise, going global on behalf of national enterprises. Ensign Heavy Industries Company Limited, your dependable partner.